Assalamu alaikum student. I am Noreen Abbasi and this is our fourth video, and now we are doing long question answers or detailed question answers. Question number 1 is, what is moon? Describe phases of the moon. Give the heading of moon and please centralize answer. Moon is the only satellite of the earth and also a non-luminous body. It is just like a mirror reflecting the light of the sun. It revolves round the earth in 28 days. Phases of the moon. Number 1, new moon. Number 2, first quarter. Number 3, full moon. Number 4, last quarter. And whenever you are writing your definition, please underline the definition. New moon. When the new moon appears on the horizon, it is a thin crescent shape. First quarter, a week later, the moon will be at right angles to the Earth's sun line so that we see half of it shining. Full moon, a week later, still the moon, the Earth and the sun are in line again so that the whole face of the moon is lit up. We say this is a full moon. Last quarter, another week, and the moon is at right angles to the earth sun line so that we see a half moon again. A week later, the moon will have waned, reduced to a crescent again. And you have to draw diagram of this phases of the moon over there. And please remember, whenever you are drawing a diagram, please don't use colored pencils or pen. Only use pencil and draw figure with your pencil, just like this. Next question. What is eclipse? Describe solar eclipse. Answer. Eclipse. Give the heading of eclipse. Eclipses occur when three heavenly bodies come into line so that one blocks out the other. Solar eclipse. When the moon comes in between the earth and the sun, blocking it out. Sometimes it is only a partial eclipse so that the sun seems to have a bite taken out of it. But in a full eclipse, the sun disappears behind the moon and darkness falls on that part of the earth where the eclipse is taking place when the eclipse is full and the sun is completely blotted out. And you have to draw the figure of solar eclipse, just like this. And this is in your book at page number 6. This one. Next question. Describe lunar eclipse. Answer. Give the heading of lunar eclipse. When the earth comes to between the sun and the moon, it casts its shadow on the moon, causing a lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse occurs only during the full moon phases. During a total number eclipse, the earth's circular shadow can be seen moving slowly across the disk of the full moon. When totally eclipsed, the moon is completely within the earth's shadow. And here you have to draw figure of lunar eclipse just like this, and this is in your book at page number 7, and draw this figure, but don't please use colored pencils. Here are the blanks. You have to make the blanks from your book. At least you have to make 20 blanks or 25 blanks from the book. When you are making blanks from your chapter, please read the info. I am reading all the infos. First info is at your page number 2. A rocket to the moon has a travel much further because it has to make several circuits around the earth and gather enough speed to break away from its gravity. Next info is at page number 3. Pluto used to be the 9th planet of the solar system. However, in August 2006, the International Astronomical Union decided that since Pluto did not meet at all the conditions, it would no longer be called a planet. Next info is at page number 4. Is there water on the moon? It was long believed that there was no water on the moon. However, feedback from space satellites shows small pockets of ice on the moon's surface facing away from the sun. Next info at page number 5. The moon rotates on its axis as it orbits the earth. It takes 29 days to complete one rotation. This is why we always see the same side of the moon. Our first chapter, the universe, is completed, and please learn it by yourself, and after that we will do the next chapter, inshallah. Thank you so much.